the greater than or less than sign into
So I'm going to say
equal
CV,
to
critical values. I have 2x squared minus 7x minus 4 is going to be equal to 0. Okay, sharp. I'm done with that. What should I do next?
identify A, B, C.
Okay, what is your A?
2.
It's 2, ne? And then it's positive. Since it's positive, we already know which we are going to have a smiley face because of the inequalities. Ne? So our graph is going to be smiling.
Yes.
Okay, what is our B?
-7.
It's -7. What is our C?
-4.
-4. Okay. Then we're going to have X, which is going to be equal to minus, open bracket, -7, plus and a minus, -7 all squared, 4, 2 multiplied by -4, all over 2 multiplied by 2. Okay. Let's check. What do you get for X number 1?
-1 all over 2.
-1 all over 2. Okay, what do you get for X number 2?
4. +4.
So you get X is going to be equal to +4. Do we all agree, guys? Do we get it the same answers? I don't want to check it. Okay, Pride, we have to trust you then. So we are going to have represent this information on a number line. So what should I start with here, Pride?
-1 all over 2.
-1 all over 2. Okay, what do we get for X number 2?
+4.
So here we get +4. Now, are we going to have a smiley face or a sad face looking at the value of A?
Smiley face.
So we're going to smile. Okay, we smile.
Then
And then we come and check our sign. Are they asking us above or below? Those are the two answers that they can ask us. Above the line or below the line? What are they asking us here? Above the line or below the line?
above.
So they want us to talk about above the line. Okay, let's highlight above the line then, including the line. We're also going to touch the line.
Yes.
Okay. And then we also have this one. This is also above the line. Okay, let's put this as an inequality then. What will you say? Values that are this side in relation to 1 all over 2, are they bigger than 1 all over 2 or less than 1 all over 2?
Less than.
So X is going to be less or equals to -1 all over 2 because of the equal sign here.
Yes.
Or,
Oh.
because there's a break in between. Can you see the break, Hangish? Or,
Yes.
in relation to 4 here, what will you say these values are?
Greater than.
So
Less than.
X is going to be greater or equals to what? To 4. That was perfect, Pride. Let's give Pride a round of applause, guys.